So this morning we heard the word again. The UK is here recruiting our nurses. This has been a perennial problem and I am not seeing any end to it anytime soon. This as nurses continue to seek to go to greener pastures, to facilitate them living comfortable lives, taking care of their children, sending them to schools, to university, to colleges, buying a home, driving a vehicle. This is the reason why a number of our nurses are leaving. The compensation here in Jamaica just does not cut it. And while the government is looking at a compensation review, we are still nowhere near the finalization of that, and we are not seeing where it will benefit nurses as much as we would have hoped that it would. So our nurses continue to go. Or more seasoned, specialized nurses or mature nurses, those are the ones who are going. And it continues to pose a challenge within the work environment as the nurses who stay are burnt out and overworked. Just this morning I was on a session. 4,225 transcripts have been requested from the Nursing Council between 2017 and 2021. 1,780 nurses have left the public sector over the last 4 years. This is a wound that is bleeding and a band-aid can't help. It needs to be fixed. The government of Jamaica needs to take a step back and invest in nurses as postulated by the theme from the International Council of Nurses this year. The hospitals continue to try as much as possible to work optimally, but we will never be able to give optimal service until we get our nursing cadre up to a level where it is what I call optimal. We are functioning at maximum areas 70%, some areas are at 50%, some are at 60%, but the most that you will have in any facility is 70% of what we actually need to function with, and this needs to be fixed.